Part 12. Managing retirement withdrawals and spending is just as crucial as saving for retirement itself. Today, let's dive into how to create a sustainable and flexible withdrawal plan. The 4% rule is a popular guideline for retirement withdrawals. It suggests withdrawing 4% of your initial portfolio each year, adjusting for inflation. This method is backed by historical data, showing a high chance your funds will last 30 years. But there are alternatives, like dynamic withdrawal strategies that adapt to market performance. These methods can enhance income flexibility and reduce the risk of depleting your portfolio. One major risk to consider is the sequence of return risk. This occurs when early negative returns combined with fixed withdrawals can drain your portfolio faster than expected. Market downturns early in retirement can force you to withdraw more than planned, eroding your principal. To combat this, consider raising cash buffers or using products that guarantee income, like annuities. Timing your withdrawals strategically can also help mitigate this risk. For example, starting Social Security when the market is favorable can be beneficial. Creating a sustainable withdrawal plan means balancing your withdrawal amount with growth and inflation expectations. It's wise to start conservatively, often around or below 4%, and adjust as needed based on performance. Incorporating guardrails can help you manage spending during tough times and allow for more in good years. A flexible plan with regular reviews can provide peace of mind and reduce the stress of overspending. Now, let's talk about structuring your portfolio for retirement income using the bucket strategy. This approach divides your assets into short, medium, and long-term buckets. Short-term buckets should hold cash or ultra-safe bonds for immediate needs. Medium-term buckets can consist of bonds or balanced funds that mature in a few years. Long-term buckets should remain invested in equities for growth over time. This strategy allows you to spend confidently from secure buckets while protecting growth assets from forced sales during downturns. Spending volatility is common in retirement due to unexpected expenses or market changes. Setting aside liquid emergency funds and having flexible withdrawal plans can help manage these spikes. Consider insurance options like long-term care policies for added risk mitigation. It's essential to adjust your withdrawals based on market conditions and your longevity. Decrease withdrawals during down years and replenish in up years to maintain balance. Using tools like bucket rebalancing or dynamic spending rules can serve as effective guardrails. Monitor your health and family longevity, as longer lifespans require more conservative spending. Engaging with financial advisors annually can help refresh your strategy based on changing conditions. In summary, managing withdrawals and spending in retirement is a dynamic process. It blends research-backed rules with personalization to fit your unique goals. Mastering these concepts allows you to enjoy retirement without the fear of outliving your savings. For more information, feel free to reach out to Kris Keush.